So number 1, y is equal to 1 plus x squared quantity of 3 minus 4x. Okay? So, how will you differentiate this one? So, some of you have already what? Nag-solve na sila by using by using product rule, pero palya. Um, and also some of you kay gidaritso nila differentiate sa sulod sa parenthesis, which is incorrect. Na sa product rule, actually this is a product rule na question, but this can be solved by power rule. By how? Inyo na siya, excuse me, sorry. Inyo na siyang i-expand ang inyong expression. So you just have to use what? FOIL method lang. First, outer, inner, and last. So first, so number 1. So you have to distribute lang. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times negative 4x is negative 4x. X squared times 3 is 3x squared. X squared times negative 4 is what? Negative 4x cubed. So, this is now your new expression na mana siya multiply. Then, you can now proceed with what? You can now proceed with differentiation na. Okay, plus tayo siya. So, it's product rule. Oh, no. Power rule is already applicable now for this expression. So, you just have to, since wala man po yung common terms, so therefore, wala na kayo simplify pa, so proceed with differentiation. So, y prime, so derivative of y is y prime. Derivative of 3 is what? 0. Derivative of negative 4 is what? Negative 4 lang. Since 1 times negative 4 is negative 4, 1 minus 1 is 0, x to the power of 0 is 1, multiply to negative 4. So, negative 4 na lang. Then 2 times 3 is positive 6x. 2 minus 1 is 1 ra. So 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. X, kuha isa, minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So therefore, this is your final answer. Nanara. Okay? So do you have any question? Question? Wala? So next, let's proceed. Number 2. So again, it's just kwan lang. Natural, mo siyang ang piece rice, you just have to distribute lang, expand the expression mo ra before differentiation. Tapos ang uban, wajud kay kuha. Then ang uban, nasa iyo pong distribute. Ang uban is nag-product rule. So, sa mga nag-product rule, sayop lang ilang process. So, next, let's proceed with x is equal to 3t. So, x is equal to 3t square root of t plus 1 over cube root of t. So, for this case, kani may murag average ra. Di siya lisod pero average lang. Sakto lang. Di ba siya lisod po kay taas na siya process. Kay first is you have to eliminate the radical signs niya. Of course, you can apply power rule for this expression. So, dilahi lang ako ang variable for this case. Since imong therefore, for this expression, so x here is the dependent variable and t here is the independent variable. So, this is yung concept. Wala yung nabago. So, ilisdan lang og letter. So, therefore, derivative of x is x prime. Therefore, 3t square root of t, how will you convert this one? So, you have to eliminate the radical sign. 3t times t square root of t is what? T to the power of 1 half. Diba? So, mamaya itong i-review. Then, plus 1 over t cube root of t is t to the power of 1/3. So, na-plus na ba? Wala pa. Since 1 over t raised to the power of 1/3 is not yet napa siya sa denominator nga part. Therefore, you have to what? Transfer this yung location. By transferring yung location, you have to what? Change its sign. So, x, no, di pa rin siya x prime, sorry. X pa na siya. Tapos, 3t times t. So, 3. T times t is t. 1 plus 1 half. Again, 1 plus 1 half. Mura na siya nag x times x, so x squared. So, imuarang gisam ang imuang what? Imuang exponent pag mag-multiply og the same variable. Okay? Balik na sa inyong algebra. So, pag mag-multiply og the same variable, you just have to add lang ang ilang exponent. Okay? So, 1 plus 1 half is just equal to 3 over 2. Okay? So, Dili siya 1 times 1 half ha. So again, you just have to review your what? Algebra. So therefore 3 over 2 plus kaning t over t to raise to the power of 1/3, imo ara siyang ibalhin sa numerator na part. Therefore mahimo siyang t to the negative 1/3. So this is now what? Ready for differentiation na for product power rule. Okay? So differentiate. So x prime. So 3 over 2 times 3 is 9 over 2. T 3 over 2 minus 1 pila. 3 over 2 minus 1 is 1 half. Plus negative 1/3 times 1 is negative 1/3. So negative minus siya minus 1 over 3 t negative 1/3 minus 1 since negative both numbers, therefore plus nimo siya. So negative 1/3 minus 1 is negative 4 over 3. Okay. Actually, nani answer nani. But I'll just give 3 points ra. Ana. Since this can be what? Simplified ba? So therefore, this can be simplified. So x prime is just equal to 9 over 2. Balik nimo ni siya into radical expression. Since positive naman siya, there is nothing to worry na. So no need to transfer this iyang location from numerator to denominator. Okay? So imo ra siyang i-change into ibalik ra radical. So therefore, square root of t minus 1/3 what? Cube root of, no. Balik sa mo siya sa denominator. So 1 over 3t to the power of 4 over 3. Diba? Power of 4 over 3 para ma-positive mo exponent. Then you can now what? Balik po mo siya sa iyang original na kwan, which is naka-radical. So 3 cube root of t raised to the power of 4. Okay, actually this can be the final answer. But this can be simplified pa jud. So therefore, x prime 9 over 2 square root of t minus 1 over 3 cube root of t over 4. Pwede ka makagawas og isa. So therefore, gawas ang isa cube root of t. So ang nabilin is t4. So isa na lang ka t. Okay? So your final answer now is x prime 9 over 2 square root of t minus 1 all over 3t cube root of t. Okay? So any question? Question? Wala? Any regrets?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir. Regret.
Yes, any question? Kisa ito yung pangunta na. Kisa ito mga na.
Sir, ngano galing nigawas ng T sa kwan, sir?
Kani, dire. Sa
Ano?
last.
Oh, yes, sir.
Diba? Cube root of what? Cube root of t to the power of 4. Diba? And t to the power of
Yes,
4
sir.
is also equivalent to what? T cube times t. Diba? Pwede siya inani. Imong ibulag. Cube root of t cube root. Diba mo siya sa may tao? Kung imo siya equal, i-multiply. Diba? Kung imo man siya 3 over 3. Kung imo siya ibalik as a whole expression. Diba? This is your exponent tapos timong radical exponent po ni. So therefore 3 over 3 which is equal to what? 1. So therefore, pag may gawas mo sa radical is cube root, may mo siya t cube root of t. Or just simply kana bitang mo kag simplify ra og square root, something like square root of 4. So square root of 4 is 2. Kaya naman, therefore 2 times 2. So there are two values of 2 which is the square of 2. Diba? Mo na siya gitawag square root. So the root of the square of the certain number. Or kani cube root or the cube of the certain value nga t. So katulood ang imong t. Therefore katulod imong t ay so mao na siya equivalent siya og isa ka t for the our cube root sa imong t cube is just equal to 1 t ra siya. Gets ba? This is to explain, sorry. Nagets ba? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sige, algebra na din siya guys. Algebra. Balik mo sa inyong radical katong laws of radical sa algebra. Balik lang. Kaysa inyong x inyong balikan. Char. Sige, next, number 3. So, let's proceed with number 3. So, is equal to x squared plus 3 quantity of x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1. Okay? So, the same magyapon of procedure with number 1. You just have to expand the expression. Since we haven't discussed pa sa product rule. Since kaning number 3 is masolve po siya using product rule. So, nauntay niya tayo product rule pero sa'yo pagyapon. So, let's try. So, you just have to expand the expression. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times negative 2x is 2x to the cube. X squared times 1 is x squared. 3 times x squared is positive 3x squared. Tapos 3 times negative 2, negative 6x. 3 times 1 is positive 3. Nalara. Then you just have to combine like terms. So y is equal to x to the fourth minus 2x cubed. This can be combined. X squared plus 3 once 3x squared is positive 4x squared minus 6x plus 3. So this expression is ready to what? Differentiate. Okay, so differentiate y is y prime is just equal to derivative of x to the 4. 4 times 1 is 4x cubed.
What happened?
4x cubed. So, yan naman, 4 times 1, 4. Minus 1 is 3 na siya. 3 times negative 2, negative 6x. Kung ang isa, squared na lang. Okay? 2 times 4 is positive 8x. Kung ang isa, 1 na lang. Then, 1 times negative 6, so negative 6. 1 minus 1, 0. X to the power of 0 is just equal to 1. So, 6 na. So, derivative of 3 is just 0. So, therefore, this will be your final answer.
Okay.
So, yun na, no? So, yun. So next, let's proceed with number 4. Question, wala ra? Wala ra. So f of x is just equal to 2x to the negative 1 half plus 5x to the negative 5 over 2. So kani, so unlike sa number 2, mas complicated sa number 2 kay mo pang i-arrange. Kani is ready na. Diretso na ka mo differentiate. So you just have to differentiate na diretso f prime of x. So differentiate negative 1 half times 2 pila? Negative 1 times x. So negative x. Negative 1 half minus 1. So negative 3 over 2. So some of you I've noticed na dili sila careful sa mga sign nila. So some of you is i-plus, i-minus and everything. So dili pa jud kabalo sa ilang algebra. So negative 5 times positive 5, so negative 25. So negative 25 over 2. So uban po ninyo is nasa iyo po diri sa sign. So negative 25 over 2x minus 1 is negative 7 over 2. So this can be acceptable na as final answer. Pero masimplify pa siya, you have to eliminate the negative exponent. So f prime of x is just equal to negative 1 over x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 25 over 2 or 25 over 2x raised to the power of 7 over 2. So pwede na po ni siya. Or pwede pa yun ibalik ni mo siya sa radical expression. F of prime x is just equal to negative 1 over square root of x cubed minus 25 to square root of x to the power of 7. Okay? The next, you have to simplify pa yun. Actually, this is acceptable na. Gidawat lang na ako kay Loipon. So, so f prime of x is masimplify pa yun siya. So, negative 1 over x squared times x. So, gawasin mo isa ka x. Square root of x na lang. Then, report, negative 25 over 2. So, x to the power of 6 times 1. So, pwede nimo igawas ang x cube. So, therefore, 60 by 2 is cube na siya. Square root of x. So, this will be your final answer. Okay? Do you have any question? Mutana? Wala, sabtan?
Bright.
So, number 5. So, kani yung number 5, na pwede wala nakasolve, grabe. So, y is equal to x cubed minus 5x plus 4. Find f prime 2.
Is that sir?
Okay? So, how will you solve this one? So, number 5 ready na kayo na. Diretso na ninyo i-differentiate. So, differentiate. So, y prime. So, y prime,
2x.
x cubed. So, 3 times
Oh,
1 is 3x. Wag isa, may squared na lang. Tapos, 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. X, so x, 1 minus 1, 0. So, 1 time, x to the power of 0 is 1. So, negative 5 na lang siya. The derivative of 4 is 0. So, wait mo na ni mong answer sa imong differentiations. But, ang gipalita is find f prime of 2. So, what's the difference of f prime of 2? So, wala ra. Diretso ra nimo siya i-substitute. Since we all know that y prime is just equal to f prime
No, no.
of x. Okay? So, di ba, y is
3 times
equal
2.
to fx naman. So, therefore, y prime is also equal to f prime of x. So, you just have to
Robot man
replace
dito.
the value just equal to, di mo ra i-replace ang value sa 2. So, 3 times 2 squared minus 5. Therefore, f prime of 2 is just equal to 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12 minus 5. Then kakatawa kay ko kay napad yun yung answer kanina yung answer. Wala lang yun yagi, minus. So, 12 minus 5 is 7. Nanara.
Sus, inahanap
So,
to
muna siya yung final answer for muna yung solution for the quiz sa 7 to 8 o 8 to 9. But for the quiz sa 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. o 10 a.m. to 11 is just the same lang. Ako lang i-list down og mga value but the concept, the flow is just the same. So, questions? Wala. Kasi
Sir,
na-realize.
pwede kumunta na, sir. Sa 8
Yes, go ahead.
topic, kanang 9 to 10, sir, kung sa'yo answer sa concert, itong y equals to x squared minus 5x plus 16, find the f.
Sila, tara
F4.
na, si Randron.
Sige, sir.
Wala sila taron. Ako to na kuha ng 9 a.m. o 10. So wala na. So let's proceed with sa 9 a.m. na question. Sige, sa 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Ay.
So next time, please, pagstuon. My gosh, okay, bisag sayon ra kayo, wa jud na cancer.
Sorry na good, sir.
So nalaglisodon. So number 1 sa 9 to 10, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. na quiz. So y is equal to 1 plus x squared times x squared minus x plus 1. So same ra gyapon. So you just have to expand the expression lang. So y is just equal to 1 times x squared, x squared, 1 times negative x, 1 times 1, positive 1, x squared times x squared, x to the 4th. Wait lang. Sakto bang given? 1 plus x squared, x squared. X to the 4th, x squared times negative x cubed, x squared times 1, positive x squared. So you just have to, what? Combine like terms. So combine like terms. So y is just equal to, so na combine kani o kani. So x squared plus x squared is 2x squared minus x plus 1 plus x to the 4th minus x cubed. So pwede na ka mo differentiate na dayon. So therefore, y prime is just equal to 2 times 2, 4. Wag isa, 1 na lang. Negative x, derivative sa negative x is negative 1. Tapos, pag derivative sa 1, 0. 4 times 1 is positive 4x. Wag isa, cube. 3 times negative, so negative 3x. Wag isa, squared. So, therefore, this will be your final answer. Okay? Or, i-rearrange lang ninyo. Same na sila. Okay, let's proceed with number 2. So, number 2 ninyo is kani. So, y is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 16. Find f prime of 4. So, same regular mo concept tanan. Ako lang gilahi-lahi given. So, y is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 16. How will you solve this one? So, ready to differentiate ra gyapon. So, y prime. So, x squared is 2x
2x.
minus 5. So, 1 times negative 5. So, muna siya imong differentiation. Then, you just have to, what? Substitute lang the value of f prime. So, f prime 4 is just equal to 2
2
times
times
4
4.
minus 5. Or just equal to 8 minus 5. Or f prime
3.
of 4 is just equal to 3. So, daghan gyapon na rong ani.
Ay!
Nala.
Shit!
Okay?
Shit!
So, number 3. So, say number 3 nila, x is just equal to 2w squared square root of w plus 2 over square root of w. Okay? For this case, mura ni siya ang murag average lang ang difficulty. So, first is you have to dili ka na rin so maka-differentiate. Kaya naman, napay mga radical
Radical
expression o radical sign. So, therefore, you have to convert or to eliminate the radical signs. So, how? So, you have to convert into exponent muna. So, 2w squared times w raised to the power of 1
1
half. Since square root siya. Plus 2 all over w 1
1
half. Okay? The next, what's the next step? You just have to simplify further. Tapos, ang katong kani, ibalhin mo siya sa numerator. So, 2w squared times w. So, w raised to the power of, copy lang ang w. Then, 2 plus 1 half. Dili kay 2 times 1 half. Okay? 2 plus 1 half. Since it's the same with, sa itong law sa algebra, and multiplying the same variable, you just have to add the exponent. Okay? So, 2 plus 1 half. So, dagang nasayop diri.
5
So,
2.
3 over 2. Plus
2 plus 1 half.
2w to the negative 1 half. Okay? The next, so you can now try to differentiate na x prime. Na inisulod. Wait lang. So differentiate x prime, 3 times 2, 3 over 2 times 2 is 6 over 2. So napagiging the answer 6 over 2. So 6 over 2 is just equal to pila? Positive 3. W minus 1, 3 over 2 minus 1 is just equal to 1 half. Plus, so negative 1 half times 2 is negative 2 over 2. So nagyapin niya 2 over 2. So 2 over 2 is just equal to 1. So 1, so 1 times W siya dito. So negative lang. You just have to retain the negative sign. So negative 1 half minus 1 is pila? Negative 3 over 2. So this is what? This can be considered as the final answer.
Excuse me,
Pero,
sir.
yes. Ano?
Um,
Sorry. Hindi siya 2.
5 half, sir.
3 over 2. It's 5 over 2. Sorry.
Kinalaga na ko 5.
So therefore, 5 over 2 times 2 is what? 10 over 2. Or just equal to 5. So 5 digit siya. Sorry. So 5 over 2. 5 over 2 minus 1 is 3 over 2 ni siya. So, okay? So, ano siya? Okay, so this can be considered as your final answer. Okay? Pero pwede pa ninyo siya i-simplify to eliminate lang ang kaning negative exponent, then ibalik niyo siya into radical expression. So x prime is just equal to 5 square root of w cube minus 1 over w 3 over 2. Okay? Or pwede pa yun siya ma-simplify further. X prime is just equal to 5. Pwede ni mo magawa sa isa ka w. So 5w square root of w minus 1 over square root of w cube. So, pwede pa din mo magawas diri. So, therefore, x prime is just equal to 5w square root of w minus 1 all over w square root of w. So, this will be your final answer. Yes? Ha? Sila dira? Sa? Oh. So, muna ni mong final answer for number 3. Ano ra? Okay? So next, let's proceed with number 4. So number 4 is y is equal to 4x plus 1. So the same ra. you just have to expand lang. 4x plus 3 times x squared minus 2. So you just have to expand the expression. So expand the expression, y is just equal to 4x times x, 4x
cubed.
cubed, 4x times negative 2, negative 8x, 3 times x squared, positive 3x squared, 3 times negative 2, negative 6. So therefore, wala rin makombine like terms, di ba? Since all of them are distinct na kung exponent. So therefore, you just have to proceed with differentiation. So y prime, 3 times 4 is 12x. Kung ang
Squared.
isa, so 2 na lang. 1 times negative 8 is negative 8.
Eight na lang.
X to the power of 0 is 1. So wala na. 2 times 3 is positive 6. X, wag isa, 1 na lang. So derivative sa 6 is 0. So therefore, this will be your final answer. Okay? So napagyud po wrong yapon na ningpan. So do you have any question na? Sa 3 o 4? Wala. So let's proceed with number 5. So f of x is just equal to ang blue girl ani. Ala oy kani magamit dili balik. Charot lang. So f of x is just equal to 2x
Wa na.
2x raised to the power of negative 5 over 2 tapos minus 4x negative 1/8. Okay? So for this case sa number 5 is, sorry, hindi na siya kita pa day. So sa case sa number 5, you just have to, what? Diretso nag-differentiate. Wala na kay buhaton unlike sa number 3. So yung mga pang-equal. So diretso na. So power rule, f prime of x is just equal to negative 5 over 2 times 2 is pila? Negative 5x. Diba? Negative 5 na lang mabilin. Negative 5x raised to the power of pila? So negative 5 over 2 minus 1, pila? Negative 7 over 2. Negative 7 over 2 minus, so negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4 over 8. So 4 over 8 is just equal to pila? 1 half. Diba? So ano ba? Nag 4 over 8 ragyapon. So 1 half na siya. Times x, negative 1/8 minus 1 is pila? Negative 9 over 8. Okay? Then simplify, you just have to eliminate the negative exponent. Therefore, the negative exponent will be transferred sa denominator na part. So,
Na,
negative
wala.
5x 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2